Deen Dayal Port Authority is India's #1 major port and has been crossing the highest traffic throughput amongst all major ports consecutively for the last 15 years. Presently, the port is having 16 dry cargo berths, which includes 2 PPP-operated container berths, one offshore terminal at Tuna Tekra for handling multi-purpose cargo. Besides, there are 6 oil jetties at Kandla and 3 single buoy mooring SBMs and 2 oil jetties at offshore oil terminal Vadinar to handle liquid bulk cargo. Mission of Deen Dayal Port Authority is to be the most economical and sustainable modern major port, rendering cost-effective services to port users. The port has easy access to the Middle East and European nations, providing an impetus to export and import covering more than 7 states of India in the northern hinterland. Deen Dayal Port has developed Oil Jetty number 7 with a cost of Rs 74 crores, which will enhance the liquid handling capacity of edible oil and fulfill the requirement of future projections. The project shall enhance the liquid cargo handling capacity at Kandla by 2 MMPTA, thereby reducing the waiting period, that is, pre-berthing detention time of vessels, and increase utilization of tank farms connected to liquid cargo handling business. More number of ships will be handled, increasing the cargo throughput. Reduction in turnaround time will benefit both shipping companies as well as port users. The proposed jetty is T-shaped jetty with length of 110 meter and berth of 12.40 meters, which can handle the large size of vessel up to 65,000 DWT and 14 meter depth. Commissioning of Oil Jetty 7 will have multiple spin-offs in terms of higher growth in port output and employment generation. Increased capacity will reduce the per unit cost of edible oil, thereby benefiting the common man. Deen Dayal Port Authority, समुद्र से समृद्धि की ओर।